what that boy doing. Shout out to my own. Thanks for holding it down. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the blessings. We rocking, we rolling. Y'all know how we rocking, we rolling.
Oh yeah.
All good vibes, all good energy, all good blessings.
Appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you, God.
Yeah. 77, 78, 79. So I make these bumper fillers. A lot of guys missing them from the 77 through the 79 on the box Chevy. I make those.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's hey, I'm praying to God they give me more.
What's up, YouTube? We back on the 73 Camaro. Got the power locked in, power windows set up. So right now what we had to do is cut the metal out. Hand me that trim, one of them trims. No, the trim, right there, that wood trim. So what we had to do, we had to cut out. So when we put the speakers in there, the magnets fit in there properly. Tweet, mid, logo. So where we at right now, digital dash all connected. Right side completed. And we're gonna go back to the BM shifter, straighten it out. I just want to give you guys an update real quick. Where we at? Preparing the first door panel. We want a fiberglass wood here. So what we had to do was do a cutout right here for the crank because we use aftermarket window kit. So I had to build this up. It's because this sticks out. This is the aftermarket kit. So I had to build the MDF up to cover this part up. Same with the other. So we're not using none of the old door panels. We're doing all custom door panels. Say hello to my help. Wait till I get done with it. So that's where we at right now. All right. Just giving y'all some more footage. We're finna fiberglass this MDF to the original door panel. Got the speaker pods. Now we're gonna mold all this in where it's all molded. We have to cut excessive metal out so the speakers can fit in there. Moving along. Give me some action. Let me see what we're working with.
That's all we got to do right now.
Oh yeah.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's hey, I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them.